Great advice for success in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing will only yield the best results if you are putting the power of successful, proven strategies to work. By learning as much as possible about the subject, and making the time to apply the best suggestions, you can go on to build the ultimate level of financial independence. This video will give you some great advice on what you can do to make improvement in the area. Track and analyze the exact source of every visitor to your affiliate links. By doing this, you can identify which marketing techniques are bringing in visitors and, more importantly, where visitors with the highest conversion rates originate. You can then concentrate your time and money on only the successful marketing techniques. Record a high-quality video where you demonstrate an affiliate product, then upload it to YouTube along with your affiliate link. YouTube is a great source for potential buyers, and if you provide an informative video about a product, people will be more inclined to buy the product through your affiliate link. When you link yourself with many affiliates, you will never talk to the same person. This is providing your customer with options and information on the topic that he or she is interested in. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, make sure that your affiliate company offers their sales statistics in real time. Real-time statistics let you see the number of visitors who have been directed from your site, and how many of those visitors made a purchase from the affiliate company. Develop different site for different affiliate programs, especially if the products that you are advertising are very diverse. You can use subdomains to cut down on cost. If you have 10 different affiliate programs going, do not try to make them all fit within your one site. You may confuse your visitors. To make money in affiliate marketing, you should be selective in finding products that offer the highest commissions. While you are taking up space on your page with an ad for a product that pays you 10%, you are giving up that real estate for a product that could pay you 40%. In writing reviews for affiliate marketing, make your reviews visually appealing. That is, make sure your blog or site has a pleasing design, and use photos, graphics and/or videos to keep your reviews entertaining and break up text. Part of earning people's trust and esteem is giving them a pleasant experience, and the visual aspect of your reviews is an important contributor to that. People are visual creatures, so don't make it a strain or a pain to read your reviews, and people will be more willing to keep watching. Many have achieved a heightened level of personal and financial success through affiliate marketing. The key to that success, however, is thorough education about what works and what does not. By using the information in this video, you can seize control of your business life and achieve the kind of results you have always desired. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.